for those who are. Okay, so question C says that the binary operation star, okay, on the set of positive rational numbers is defined by, okay, so this is the definition here that they have given us, a mathematical definition, okay. So they are saying x star y is equals to the modulus of y minus x over 1 plus x y, okay? And the question here is, show that the star is commutative, okay? Show that star is commutative. So what do they mean by commutative? Okay, so I'll give an example here. When we say 2 multiplied by 3, what is the answer, guys? And when we say 3 multiplied by 2, okay, what is the answer here?
About 6.
6, okay? Here it's 6, okay? So this is what the commutative law states, okay? So it doesn't matter the order in which you arrange your numbers, the answer is going to be the same, okay? So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Even if you start with 3 multiplied by 2, the answer will still be 6, okay? So that's commutative. So they want us to show that this star here is commutative on this law, okay? Meaning that x star y should be equals to y star x, okay? Star x like that, okay? So x star y should be equals to y star x. So they want us to prove this, okay? So how do you prove? You use the same rule here, okay? So x star y is just equals to this, okay? But what is y star x? So we follow the same rule here, but whatever was on the x, we put the y. Whatever was on the y, we put the what? The x, okay? So let me go to the board here. Then they are saying x star y, okay, is equals to what's there? Okay, the modulus of y minus x, okay, over 1 plus xy, okay, plus xy. Show that the star there is commutative, okay? So your x star y, it will be this, okay? Then you can say let, okay, you can say let x be equals to 1 and then y be equals to what? 2, okay? Let x be equals to 1 and then y be equals to 2. So now you have to substitute these numbers into this formula for you to get x star y, okay? So x star y, x star y will be equals to, okay, to be equals to 1 representing the x, then star 2, which is representing the what? The y. Oh, why am I writing y there? Supposed to write 2 there. Okay, yeah, 2. Then it's equals to, okay, so wherever there was y here, I have to put the number that is representing y, okay? So on top there to be 2 minus, then whatever is representing x, I put it there, which is 1, okay? Then modulus, then down there, what do I have? I have 1 plus the product of x and y, okay? So I'll put my x1 there, and I'll put my 2 there. Then I'll multiply, okay? So on top there, what do I have? I have the modulus of 1, because 2 minus 1 is just 1. Then at the bottom there, I have what? I have 1 plus, what is 2 multiplied by 1? It's 2, okay? Meaning my answer here will be 1 over 3, okay? So what we've gotten here is our x star y, okay? X star y. Now let's find our y star x. Okay, y star x. Okay, so we're going to now find our y star x. Okay, our y star x will be equals to what was our y? It was 2 star 1. Okay, is equals to, then following the same law here, following the same law here. Okay, following the same law here. Wherever we are seeing a y, we are going to put x. Wherever we are seeing an x, we are going to put y. Okay, so we're just putting them in the opposite way. Okay, so it means on top here, instead of y minus x, we have x minus y over 1 plus, here we had the x multiplying by y, but now we have y multiplying by x. Okay, then on top there, what is our x? We still get these numbers here, the one that we had. Okay, our x is 1 and our y is 2. Okay, so on top there, our x is 1 minus, what is our y? It's 2. Then modulus, then over 1 plus, what is our y? It's 2. Okay, then what is our x? It's 1. Okay, so 1 minus 2 on top there, it will be minus 1. Then since we have these moduluses, it means that it will turn into a positive number. So even on top there, we have 1 and over. Then down here, what are we going to have? We're going to have 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is just 2. So 1, okay, so even there it's 3. Okay, so this is our y star x. Okay, y star x is 1 over 3. Then what is our x star y? Okay, where did I write? Okay, here. Okay, so you can see that x star y here, it's giving you what there? 1 over 3. Okay, and again y star x, it's giving you what? 1 over 3. Okay, so since x star y is equals to y star x, okay, since x star y is equals to y star x, then the sign star is commutative. Okay, so the word commutative, you write it in capital letters like that. Okay, commutative. Hey, is this the correct spelling? Okay, so this will be your final answer here, guys. Any question on that? Hello? Any question, guys?
No, I think it's clear.
Okay.
It's clear.
Okay, so we continue. So we've solved all the question 2 from math 1100. Okay, so before we proceed to question 3 here, I'll go back to math 1120. Okay, so that we also finish the question 2 here. Okay, so last time I think we did this question here. Yeah, if I remember, we did this question here, and we also did this question here on top. Okay, so today we're supposed to start from here. Okay, question 2b, Roman numeral 2. Okay, so they're saying the roots of the equation 2x squared minus 4x plus 5 is equals to 0, alpha and beta. Okay, then they're saying find the value of alpha squared plus beta squared. Okay, alpha squared multiplied by beta squared. Okay, so this is a very simple question, guys. Okay, so we have to know that the sum of alpha plus beta is equals to what? Okay, anyone to tell us alpha plus beta, what do we get here? I remember we solved the similar question in math 1100. What is alpha plus beta, guys? Then here we have alpha multiplied by beta. Here, what do I write? Anyone? Hello? Guys, you don't know the identity of alpha plus beta. Okay.
Alpha plus beta is equals to negative what? Negative
Okay.
B over A. Then alpha
Exactly.
by beta is equals to C over A.
C over A. Okay. Yeah. So you have to know these primary formulas here. Because if they give you a question on roots and you don't know this, then you are gone. Okay. Chapwa wire glory. Okay. So you have to know this. You have to know this. You have to know this for you to solve the questions. Okay. So from this our equation, we're going to get our A, our B, and our C. Okay. So what is our A from the equation? Our A there is just 2. Then what is our B? Okay. Our B there is just what? 4. I mean negative 4. I can say negative 4 there. Then what is our C? Our C is 5. Okay. Our C is 5. Then let us find the sum and the product of these roots. Okay. So alpha plus beta is equals to minus B over A. So what is our B? Our B, you can see that there is minus 4, which is equals which is being divided by A, which is a 2. Okay, which is a 2 there. Okay, so negative multiplied by a negative is going to give you what? It's going to give you a positive there. Then over 2, then it means that the sum there, the alpha plus beta, okay, alpha plus beta is just equals to 2. Okay, then we find the product here. So alpha multiplied by beta is equals to, we said C over A. What is our C? Our C is just 5 over, what is our A? Our A is negative 4. Okay, so if you divide this by a negative, it means this will be a negative 5 over 4. Okay, so now that we have the product of the roots, okay, which, yes?
I thought A is 2.
Oh, A is 2, right? Oh, sorry. I don't know why I put B there. Thank you for that. Okay, so this negative goes. Okay, so there we'll put 2, yeah, not 4. We'll put 2, yeah. So this is our product here, and then this is our sum. Okay, so now after finding our sum and our product there, we are going to express what we have been given here in terms of the sum for the 2 roots and the product for the 2 roots, because just like this here, you can't find. Okay, so what is the identity for alpha squared plus beta squared? Okay, so what is the identity here? The identity is alpha plus beta. Okay, alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha multiplied by beta. Okay, this is the identity here. Do we know this identity here? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So meaning that we're just going to put whatever alpha plus beta is, even here we're going to put whatever alpha multiplied by beta is, okay? Then that would be our answer. So what was alpha plus beta? It was 2 squared, okay? I think the class is going to cut very soon, so you should join back using the same link. Okay, then here you have 2, then you have 5 over 2, like that, okay? Then here, what are we going to have? We are going to have 4. This 2 will cancel with that 2, then minus 5, okay? So it means our answer here is just negative 1. -1.